So it's in hall 19, 3, and it took me understand next to the caravan guard.
Granddad's, you know.
I love her really.
So we're here at the NEC at the Tuck Me Understand, and we're with Michelle,
Hello.
owner, and she's going to describe to us what products she's doing and what she does in the company.
Well, some would say not a lot. Okay, so we make everything for your caravan or motorhome, everything above the mattress. So we do some toppers, we do mattress protectors, we do shaped duvets and duvet covers. Our patented design is our Tuck Me Under design when it comes to the duvet covers themselves. What we do with the cover is we seal in the duvet cover itself along here. So the bit that you're tucking under is only the flap that is left, not all the bulk of the duvet. Inside is the shaped duvet, either the cut-off or an island, and then it's all nice and easy to tuck under and keep the bed nice and neat all day long. Also, it can be a good safety aspect, so you're not snagging the duvet as you're walking by it. We've got lots of sheets, we've got lots of choice of fabrics and colours, as you can see here. So this is our essential range, and then we've got our signature range and Egyptian cotton. But we do go to the brush cotton, 400 thread count Egyptian, and also up to 1,000 thread count if you really wanted to have that luxury feel. We've also just started to do some of our branded. So this is our Coachman and our Swift. So how we incorporate this is either a duvet set where you've got the branding across a plain set that you can find on here, or you can have a runner that you can add to the end of your bed. And we quite like these. It's quite cute with the fact that they're actually branded with your van. We're hoping to do a bit more, i.e. the Buccaneers, some of the Bailey, more the brands are like the GT75 rather than the Bailey logo themselves. So watch our Facebook page or like us on YouTube, and we'll be able to show you those once they're ready to launch. And I've run out of things to say.
Thank you very much, Michelle.
Also, for those of you that like to spruce up the inside of your van, needs a new look, we also offer a curtain making service. So with that, you can either send us your old curtains and we'll liaise with you like a project manager to get the look that you're really wanting. And we can send you samples out in the post for you to test and see if that's what you'd like to have done. They can be lined, not lined. You can have the tie backs or no tie backs. We really like to work with you and get the look that you're wanting when it comes to a new interior for you. So, I don't know.